No need to play. How do we read this?
Saya fikir nak main game apa?
Tak ada game.
Mr. Brown and the Mouse.
Mr. Brown and the
Brown.
Mouse.
And the Mouse tu siapa?
Mr. Brown tu nama lelaki lah. Okay, next.
Tak kenal nama dia. One day, Mr. Brown found a little mouse under his couch.
Very good. What couch? Very good. One day, Mr. Brown found a little mouse under his couch. Next.
Round and round the couch, the mouse ran.
Ran. Round and round the couch, the mouse ran. Okay, next one.
Round and round the couch, Mr. Brown ran after the mouse.
Round and round the couch, Mr. Brown ran after the mouse. Very good.
Then the little mouse hid behind a flower pot.
Then the little mouse hid behind a flower pot. Very good.
Get the mouse apa tu? Growler shooted Mr. Brown. Shoot Mr. Brown.
How do we read this word?
Shoot.
What sound is this?
Oh.
Ow.
Oh.
How do we read that word?
Shout.
Yes. Yes. Very good. Can you read again?
Get the mouse growler.
Growler.
Growler. Shout Mr. Brown.
Get the mouse, Growler shouted Mr. Brown. Okay, next one.
Get the mouse behind the flower pot.
Get the mouse behind the flower pot.
Sahara, itu nama ni ke?
Apa?
Tadi. Sahara tadi. Sahara Ali tu rasa nama kawan ayah saya pun.
Oh, okay. Teacher tak tahu. Okay, next one.
Growler ran after the mouse.
Growler ran after the mouse. Next one.
The mouse ran up the clock.
The mouse ran up the clock.
Then mouse ran down the clock and out of the house.
The mouse ran down the clock and out of the house. Next one.
Brown and Growler ran out of the house after the little mouse.
Mr. Brown and Growler ran out of the house after the little mouse.
Apa dia kejar mouse tu?
Sebab mouse tu duduk rumah je. Okay, next one.
Apa dia nak kejar?
Sebab dia nak tangkap.
But Mr. Brown
Tripped
over a box and fell to the ground howling.
But Mr. Brown tripped over a box and fell to the ground howling.
He felt like a clown.
He felt like a clown. Next one.
Now where is that little mouse? Shout Mr. Brown with a big frown.
Very good. Now where is that little mouse? Shouted Mr. Brown with a big frown. Next one.
Well, where do you think it is?
Well, where do you think it is? Good job.